Welcome guys, welcome everyone once again. Techno Pro 4 Pro, Infinix Hot 10 and Infinix Hot 10i Mouthpiece Solution Ways. This is Eastwire. Welcome to my YouTube channel once more. Today with me guys, I have on Techno LC8, which is Techno Pouvior 4 Pro. It shares the same mic schematic ways with this Hot 10 and Hot 10i. Okay, now I'm back to the workings. Today we are going to be doing a mic solution ways on it, and we are going to be testing the phone, the mouthpiece. We are going to going straight to our voice recorder. That's how we test the mouthpiece on each phone to know the mouthpiece is working. That is how we do it. Okay, now I'm going to the setting, but meanwhile, before we do this setting, we have already tested different screen and different board downboards, yet same result. Okay, guys, see, the waves is not that deep. The waves is not that deep. That means the mouthpiece is not working. And okay, before you could set this an IC, you have to test a new screen, new screen, a different downboard, and yet same result for you to attain that yes, it's a mouthpiece issue, which I already did. So that's the phone. That is LCA. That's Techno pouvior 4 Pro. Techno pouvior 4 Pro, guys. It shares the same schematic ways with Infinix Hot 10 High and Infinix Hot 10. Please guys, I'm open for questions, corrections and suggestions. Please, I'm always open. You can see my WhatsApp number at the top of the video. Just take my WhatsApp number, chat me up, no issue. We are one big family. Okay, now I'm straight to the workings. Now let's go over to the workings. I'm going to be using another downboard. A downboard, can you guys see this downboard has a mouthpiece, right? I'm going to be using a downboard that doesn't have a mouthpiece on it for us to read the PCB board, to read the lines on the mouthpiece from the PCB board, and let's know if it's reading. Now that's the downboard here. Downboard doesn't have the mouthpiece, right? You guys see that? I had to zoom it for you guys to see clearly. Okay, now I'm going to use my meter to read the downboard and to know which of the leg is missing. Usually the side from the left hand side of the mouthpiece. Okay guys, there are three different connection points for the mouthpiece. We have the cycle is the negative, and we have the 2 plus. You can see there's a 2 dot over there. Those 2 dots are called the 2 positives. With some diodes, they can be converted to a universal mouthpiece. But guys, today I'm not here for mouthpiece conversion. That's going to be a job, a lesson for another day. But here we are going to be doing our normal reading on the board and our IC readings. Okay, now my meter should be on bus mode or buzzer mode. Sorry guys for wasting your time. I just want to clarify some things for you guys to have a proper and have an insight of how the job is like. Okay, now let's be sure my meter is reading, giving me the right voltage, the right frequency before we continue the job, right? That's how we ought to do. Okay, now let's go over. Now let's read. We are going to read those dots, those 2 dots and the cycle to be sure of what we are doing. Now let's read. Can you guys see the other dot is giving me 5 4? Can you guys see? Now like I said, the side from the left is not reading. Can you guys see? Yep. Can you guys see again? The side at the right hand side is reading, but the side from the left hand side is not reading, just like I thought. I've done this job many times, like I said, and that is always the leg that is always missing on this Techno Pouvior 4 Pro and Hot 10 and Infinix Hot 10i. Okay, now with my schematic diagram, that's where it's being located. That's where all the PCB board, that's where the IC is. To the workings now. Okay, now I'm applying my paste on the location, and what we have to do guys is either you bridge the IC or you remove the IC and short the points with your lead. That depends on what you want to do. It's either you short the IC with your lead or your jumper wire, or you remove the IC and short the position or short the contact point with your lead. It depends on what you want to do, but in this case I have to be sure that the work is going to work. That's why I'm going to removing the IC. I'm going to remove it. I'm removing the IC here, and I'm going to be shorting it with my lead. Yep, with my lead. That's what I just have to do, and it's going to work. Hopefully it's going to work. That should be the first step we have to take as a technician. And after doing that, we're going to be testing it to be sure it's working. Okay, I want to use this medium, this opportunity, guys, to thank you guys for your share, your like, your comment, your follow up. Please, Eastwire, East Life, I'm really grateful. Please remember, I'm always open for corrections, for suggestions, and contributions. Like I said, that's my WhatsApp number at the top. You could just take it, chat me up, and for corrections, for sponsor, for you're welcome, guys. Okay, now back to the workings. Let's test the phone and see. Now the job is done, and I hope you guys will see clearly. I hope my camera is doing a justice to this video, but please do forgive me in case my camera is not doing justice to this video. Please, with time, I'm gonna be improving. Okay, and no, that's the jumper ID. That's the connection point. That's the That's the where I had to short. Yeah, that's where I have to short the contact points on the mouthpiece on the PCB board. Yeah, that's we have to short. Yep. Okay, let's test it and see. How to zoom for you guys to see. Someone said the other time that my videos are not clear, so I have to zoom. Please, I hope my camera is doing a justice to this video. Like I said, please bear with me. Now, guys, so that's the area I had to short, right? That's the area I had to short, right? Okay, that's a short there with my lead. I had to show this area of my lead and my solder iron. I hope you guys are seeing this video clearly. I just hope so. Okay, now let's test the phone and see if it's working. Let's test and see if it's working. The phone just came up now. I'm going to the, like usual, we're going to my mouthpiece recorder or voice recorder to check the waves. Guys, the waves is the same. Now it didn't work, guys. It didn't work. Okay, now stay with me, guys. Now, guys, just watch this, guys. Just watch, please. Can you guys see? Can you guys see? I had to press the power IC and the waves tends to go deeper. Can you guys see? The waves is trying to go deeper. Each time I hold a little push on the power IC, the waves tends to go deeper, right? Can you guys see? Yeah, can you guys see, right? I hope you guys are seeing what I'm seeing here, right? Each time I press the power IC, the waves of the mouthpiece recording tries to go deeper, tends to go deeper. Yeah, sometimes. Yeah, can you guys see? Yeah, I had to do this for you guys to see it clearly. Okay, now the mouthpiece IC, all is being connected to the power IC. That means the mouthpiece IC is okay now, but the issue we are having here is the power IC. Now I'm going to be hitting the power IC. Guys, if you have your stencil, if you have your low temperature LED, your low temperature paste, you could just reboard the power IC at your own will. But if you don't have if you don't have all this, make the work more easier for you and more quicker for you, just hit the power IC at a random temperature. Please don't overheat the power IC to avoid shorts on the power IC. Okay, now the phone just came up. Now let's wait for the phone to switch on and let's test to the voice recorder as usual. Okay, let's go. Let's start. Wow, our phone is now working. This is Eastwire. Please, guys, like, share, comment, follow, and wait for more videos. This is Eastwire. Thank you, guys. Thanks.